In today's pet segment, our pet peeve segment, we're talking about your dental health for your pets. And here with me today is Medora Pahsmakova from Blue Pearl to tell us all we need to know. And she brought a special guest with us, Willard.
That's right.
Who's kind of hiding out back there. There he is.
There you are.
Give us a few tips about pet dental health, if you don't mind. He's a little shy.
He is a little shy. So dental health in pets is just as important as it is for people, actually.
Okay.
And it's really important that we get started taking care of dog and cat teeth as early as possible in life, so they get used to having their teeth and their mouth massaged and touched. And that's also very helpful for veterinarians later on whenever we have to give examinations and things like that.
Talk to me about the annual dental cleanings as well.
Yes.
How important is that?
Yeah, so especially as pets get older, and especially if they're not having their teeth brushed regularly, then we tend to recommend that at least once or twice a year they're seen by their veterinarian for a prophylactic cleaning.
Okay.
And that is usually done under general anesthesia. But if you do it regularly, it's usually a very uncomplicated experience and results in better overall body health as well.
So sometimes some people may not take that advice. So what kind of issues could your pets run into if not?
Yeah, so imagine if you didn't brush your teeth for years at a time, right? So there can be some infections in the mouth. There can be actually fractures of some of the teeth in the mouth. They can have exposed roots and things like that, and they can be very painful. So they can actually change their behavior and their eating patterns.
Can you tell me a little bit about the fractures?
Yeah, so actually, especially if they tend to chew on rocks or on hard objects, they can start to have broken teeth, and those teeth can have exposure of the inside of the nerve, and that can drain infection right into the bottom of the tooth canal itself. And so that can present with a lot of pain, inability to eat, and actually can cause swelling and abscessation inside of the mouth.
Well, we've got about a minute left here. Do you want to show us some of the brushing techniques?
Yeah, I'm
excited. Now he's comfortable.
Come here, buddy. Come here, come on.
There we go.
So
make yourself at home.
Willard gets his teeth brushed most nights of the week if I'm good about it. And we use a dog toothbrush and a dog toothpaste, which you can usually get from the pet store. And they're usually flavored. This one I think is chicken flavored, which is very exciting.
Right.
And I usually just hold him like this. He knows. And I just lift his little mouth. And I start by massaging just like so.
Okay.
And we do the left side. We do towards the front. And then we do the right side. And I let him lick and I let him swallow. He needs a break sometimes because, you know, they don't spit toothpaste like we do. They have to actually swallow it. And so we just do this about 20 or 30 seconds every night before bed. And then I tell him that he's a very good boy.
You are a good boy, Willard. You don't need any braces. Feel free to to lay back down. And thank you so much for joining us, by the way.
Yeah, you're welcome. My pleasure.
We're going to have so much more of this information, of course, on our website, 13onyourside.com. Be sure to check out all the tips we have to keep your pets' chompers nice and clean.